out of your compliance group of clients, you might identify half a dozen that you can think about. Could we start offering some business advisory services based on planning, budgeting, reporting? So that's really what we're suggesting. You could then set up an advisory board, maybe some business improvement project groups in your client, and that can be done via Teams or Zoom. Now, Peter, it does work because I've got 8 clients and I earn $300,000 a year plus working with them doing just this. That's business advisory work.
Yep.
Now, you've got it sitting there in your client base if you wish. So really it starts with identifying some clients who may be receptive to this involvement and then sitting down and having a conversation with them around this set of questions. You know, how's your business going? Are you happy with profit, cash and margins? Have you had leave? What are the consequences in terms of tax planning, creating wealth outside the business, protecting the family and your assets, and then looking at succession, estate and other needs. So it's looking at, in your current list of clients, you might have 50 or 100 or 500. The other day we listed all the clients out and the fees we got from them, and the fees based on the time taken to do the work, the yields or the margins, and looked at that list. And really a lot of the smaller CD clients would be better off probably selling them to a younger accountant just starting and focusing on the more receptive clients. So if you want to move into business advisory and you're stuck in a trap because you're too busy, maybe you've got to learn to say no. That's the first mindset change you've got to go through. Now, you've got to ask yourself who's going to be able to afford to pay you 10, 20 grand a year or more. If a client wants help with a strategic review, planning, budgeting and management meetings and an advisory board role, again, I go back to the comment that of your list of clients, who might be receptive to such a conversation, and that's who you should target and go and sit down and see what they've got to say.